So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So just very quickly, today's video, we have gone to Kwame Nkrumah Park, and I've actually done a video on this some time ago, like a year ago or something like that. But I had to go and take a little tour. It's just that Kwame Nkrumah car park. Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park is one of the trademarks in Ghana where, is the final resting place for Ghana's first president, which is downtown in Accra. It's next to the art center. It's next to kind of near Makola Market. It's also very close to Jamestown. So it's basically pretty much downtown of Accra. It's a resting place of the president of Ghana, the first president of Ghana, like I said. And it's designed by somebody called Don Arthur. And it houses the mortal remains of Dr. Nkrumah and his wife. It is meant to represent an upside down sword. I didn't realize at the time, but now that I read about it, you can actually see it looks like an upside down sword, which is impeccable. I mean, the thinking behind that is incredible. The upside down sword is an Akan culture, which means it's a symbol of peace, basically. The park is covered from the top to the bottom with Italian marbles, with a black star. Skylight at the top kind of illuminates the grave. And it also is surrounded by water, which is a symbol of life. So, I mean, the past couple of years, you don't see the water fountain. I don't know why, but usually it has the water fountain on both sides and kind of around the sword. At the end of the video, you're going to see like his car that is parked, on display. In the video, I kind of explain as I went along. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, let me buy some plantain. Hello. What's your back here saying?
1 city, 1 5
Actually, 1 city, dear me. Mommy peanuts in me anyway. Nkrumah, as you can see, guys, it's over there. Memorial Park. Memorial Park is over there. The entrance is over here, so let's go and see. I wonder how much they're going to charge. Entrance fee is probably going to be 20, I think. Let me ask. Hi. This, how much is the entrance? Yes. Okay. Can I have one entrance, please? Thank you. So I don't know if you guys heard, but he asked me if I'm Ghanaian. Because there's different charges. I think it's 5 cedis or more for non-Ghanaians. And then it's 3 cedis, I believe, for adult Ghanaians. So I am Ghanaian, so yeah. That's what I paid. I'm just gonna do this video very snappy because I've been here before and I've done a video for you guys. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video just for you to have a proper look into the history of this place, because I've done a more detailed video of Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. The last time I came, there wasn't any water in the fountain over there, and there still isn't. Usually there's a water in the fountain and it's supposed to kind of like spike up and do different types of tricks, but there's no water in today. I just like the ornaments and, you know, the statues and what it represents. Like I said, my other video has a bit more history information in it. So yeah, it's a pretty big park. There should be water in here, but there isn't. I love this view. The last time I came, there was like a scaffolding, something to climb on. But it looks like they've fixed it and they've removed it. So this is powerful. This is powerful, guys. See how I'm sweating? I've been walking for probably 30 minutes now. So guys, here I am at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. And I'm just gonna show you around very briefly. As I said, that's the water fountain, and I'm waiting to go up there where somebody is busy posing. That's the man himself, and the thingy over there is it's supposed to represent a sword that's upside down. Good afternoon. So this is pretty much, that's the guy. Kwame Nkrumah was the first president elected for Ghana, and he brought the independence to Ghana. He died, and his tomb is inside the building. I'm gonna take you guys there. Boy, I look tired, but this place is beautiful. Look at that. So is basically inside that. This is supposed to look like a upside down sword. I don't know if you can tell. Upside down sword. When you go inside, wow, the water's all dry. They need to redo this place up. The last time I came, there was water all over in this place. So I'm gonna squeeze through here. I don't know what's in there. I'm a little scared. Let me go the other way. It's a bit more wider. Ooh, the heat today. So I'm going through this bit. There was water here the last time I came. So this is inside. You know, this is inside the place. Look at the design, and that's his tomb. And I believe that his wife was buried next to him. Yeah, that's the wife over there. It's buried next to him. There we are. For those wondering, that's his name right there. Kwame Nkrumah, 1909 to 1972. So now I'm just gonna head out and show you the back of the building. The structure, I mean, it's beautiful. Jeez. It's beautiful. So now this is just the back of the building, and then look at that structure at the back. I don't know what's supposed to be in there, but that's it. And this right here is the history. It's got his head on one place and then that on the other side. It says Kwame Nkrumah 1909 to 1972. So this was mounted on the park on the 1st of September 2009. So this was vandalized during the February 1966. So his head, so as you can see, this one, he hasn't got his head on there. This was attacked by a mob, vandalized, and it stands now in the wake of a military with police. Again, 1966, recovered for the National Museum in 1975. Wow. So this was also vandalized. Says it was attacked by a mob, vandalized. I don't know why people would do that, but okay. So it's been, it's been brought back. As you can see, it's, the fingers are all have fingers. If you look at the head right there, there are pieces missing. Even his trousers as well. Look at the back. The back of that, it's gone. So it's been really vandalized and messed up. There's a gift shop over there. That's the gift shop. I never knew about that. I had an ostrich the last time I came here. It's not there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sure there's probably places that I don't know of, that I haven't been to. But so far, okay. There's a tree over there. It says it's planted by Giorgio Napolitano, the president of the Italian Republic, on the occasion of state. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm just gonna vamos. I'm just gonna go back the way I came. Actually, I think that's the quicker way on the other side. That's powerful though, guys. Look at him. Gained Ghana independence. We're under the British, and yeah, so he was the first president. And then he passed away. It's such a beautiful statue. Really beautiful one. So I'm just going to head over back that way to take some pictures. Then I'm going to see if I can go back to the art center. Art center is going to be a bit of a pain because, okay, let me go this way, because right here is, I believe it's his car. They've left his car in there on display. So I'm gonna go around and show you guys. It's a shame there's no water in the fountain. It would have looked cool. There's a lot of spaces here that could be used for. It could be used for a lot of things, but not yet. So I believe this is his car. That's his car right there. That has been there the last time I was here. It's always been in there. And that's a picture of him. It says Africa must unite. And that has been in there all this time as well. Africa must unite. That's his car. Look at his car. Sheesh. Yep. So I guess that's the end of the tour, guys. Just let that sink in a little bit more before I get out. It's a pretty huge park. Pretty huge park. So it's an entrance on this side. I'm just gonna exit that way. So I'm back on the main road, guys. Over there leads to Makola Market. Yeah, over there leads to Makola Market. The art center is just right in front of me. So yeah, thanks for coming with me on this tour of Kwame Nkrumah. I hope you learned something today. Yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. If there's anything you want to see on my channel, do let me know. And I'll come through. So that is the art center. That's the entrance of the art center. You can go through that way. But guys, I'm gonna do that another time. So thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon.